Are you looking for a delicious, refreshing, and healthy drink packed with loads of benefits to kick off your day or quench your thirst on a hot summer day? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious and nutritious red watermelon juice that you can enjoy anytime. 6 incredible benefits of red watermelon. 1. Loaded with lycopene. The cheery red color comes from lycopene, an antioxidant. Some studies show it may help curb your risk of cancer and diabetes as part of a healthy lifestyle. 2. Healthier heart. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline, which may help move blood through your body and can lower your blood pressure. 3. Protects your joints. Watermelon has a natural pigment called beta-cryptoxanthin that may protect your joints from inflammation. 4. Easy on the eyes. Watermelon has vitamin A, which helps to keep the eyes healthy. 5. Soothes your skin. Because it's loaded with water, melon also makes a great face mask, mixed with yogurt. 6. Boosts your workout. High in potassium, a mineral that could cut down on cramps at the gym. Now watch and enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.